next is the back assembly, and we start that by taking a bolt through your arm, and the arms are labeled for right and left, and everything. When I say right or left, it means when I'm standing looking at the front of the chair. That's how we do the right and left. So just so you know, so we put our bolt in through our arm, and we put that down in there. We get our other one installed, and then what we do, and again, this might help to have another person, but you can do it on your own if you need to. But this slides right down in here, and this bottom bracket of the chair will fit right on this back edge of the seat assembly. Fits right down there, and the arms fit right on the top braces, and you just snug those right up like that. And then what we do is, to hold this in place, you're going to want to start a screw in each one of these arms, so it's just poking through a little bit, and that will help you find the pre-drilled hole in the arm here. And once you do that, you get those set, then you'll just go through and put the other three in there, and then we're almost done. And we're using the 2-inch screws on this, and then we have a couple of these longer 3-inch screws, and they go in on the side over here. There's a pre-drilled hole right here, and if you just put that right in there, and that helps hold that in place as well. And once you have that done, you have you should have your the seat back complete, and there's just one other thing to do, and that's put the cross brace on the back. So I'll get this set, and then we'll show you how to do that.